Hello everybody, how are you all? Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, as like before, today also I brought something special for you. So leave everything just for now and watch this video with full concentrations. If you spend only 4 minutes and 56 seconds to watch this video, really I'm sure you will not lose your time. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also to find such type of more unique and outstanding videos. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video. Crochet handbag offers numerous benefits, combining creativity, functionality and style. Here are some benefits of crochet handbags. The first and the main one is unique design. Each crochet handbag can be one of a kind, showcasing the creator's style and creativity. Customizable size. You can adjust the size of the handbag to fit your specific needs. Eco-friendly. Often made from natural materials like cotton, nylon, or hemp, crochet handbags are a sustainable option. Lightweight. Crochet bags are typically lightweight, making them easy to carry around. Durable. With proper care, crochet bags can last for many years due to their strong and sturdy stitching. Breathable. Crochet materials are breathable, allowing air to circulate and preventing moisture building up inside the bag. Versatile. Crochet handbags come in various styles from casual tote to elegant clutches, making them suitable for any occasion. Personalized color. You can select color that match your wardrobe or personal preferences, creating a bag that's truly yours. Great for beginners. Crocheting a handbag is a manageable project for those learning to crochet. Perfect for gift. A handmade crochet handbag makes a thoughtful and personal gift for friends or family. Stress relief. Crocheting can be therapeutic, offering a sense of relaxation and focus. Affordable with crochet. You can make your own handbag at a fraction of the cost of store-bought bags. Minimalist appeal. Many crochet bags have a minimalist aesthetic, perfect for those who prefer simple, elegant designs. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like, so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. I'm also looking for your beautiful comments about my collection. If you wanna see some specific collection, you can leave a beautiful message also. I will try my best to make a beautiful collection as per your required desirement. Fun and creative. Crochet handbag gives you the chance to experiment with pattern, texture and embellishment. Upcycled materials. Crochet bags can be made from repurposed yarn or fabric scrap, contributing to waste reduction. Handmade with love. There's something special about carrying a bag that's made with your own handbag. Thank you very much for watching our video. Keep in